and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh everyone. My name is Iman Safia binti Muhammad Faizal and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the most important contemporary issues in the field of information system, which is the challenges involved in developing and implementing management information system, or also known as MIS. So before I begin, I want to acknowledge the main academic source that supports my presentation. So the journal article I am reviewing is titled The Challenges, Barriers and Advantages of Management Information System Development, a Comprehensive Review, written by Alawimle, Al-Shibli, Tomale, Al-Karyuti and Ali, that published in 2021. So this article provides valuable insights into why many MIS projects succeed and why others fail, and what organizations can do to overcome the challenges they face. So why is this topic so relevant today? In the last few years, especially since 2018, organizations have been moving rapidly towards digital transformation. Everything from communication to data management to decision making depends heavily on MIS. Because of this fast shift, organizations often struggle to develop systems that truly meets their need. So MIS is no longer optional. It has become a core part of running a business, a university, a hospital, or even a government agency. So when MIS fails, the organization can suffer from financial loss, wasted time, frustrated users, and poor decision making. That is why understanding these challenges is extremely important. Here, I would like to highlight the main issue. So the authors explain that unclear requirements are one of the biggest reasons MIS projects fail. So what do you mean by unclear user requirements? So in many organizations, the people who will use the MIS, like staff, managers, or students, often do not know how to clearly explain what they need. They may only say they want a better system, but they cannot describe the exact features, functions, or workflow they expect. At the same time, system developers may not fully understand how the organizations really work. They only see the process on paper, not the real daily tasks. As a result, the system built does not match the actual needs of the users. This becomes a serious problem because unclear requirements lead to misunderstanding and wasted time. For example, developers may spend months building a feature that users don't actually want, or they may miss important features that users need every day. So this also causes frustration among staff, and it increases resistance to change. When the MIS does not fit the real workflow, users feel like the system makes their job harder instead of better. But a simple example that I can give is a university system where students could not find their exam timetable easily. So the developers thought the feature was not important because students did not mention it clearly during the requirement stage. But in reality, it was one of the most frequently needed features. Based on the journal and my own analysis, there are three main solutions that organizations can apply to overcome the challenges in MIS development. The first solution is to conduct proper requirement analysis with strong user involvement. Many MIS projects fail because users are not able to express their needs clearly, or developers don't fully understand how the work is done in real life. So organizations should hold requirement workshops, interview users, show the actual workflows, and allow users to test early prototypes. This help make the MIS match the real task and reduce resistance from users. The second solution is to use an agile or incremental development approach. Instead of building the entire system at once, the organization should develop the MIS in small modules. For example, they can start with a pilot version, test it with real users and gather their feedback, improve it before expanding to the whole organization. So this method lowers the risk of failure, help fix the problems early, and makes the user feel more involved in the process. The third solution is to invest in training and change management. Even the best system will not be successful if the user do not know how to use it. So organizations should provide hands-on training session, create simple users guide, and appoint change champions in each department to support other staff. They should also communicate the benefits of the new MIS clearly, so users understand how the system will help them. With proper training and support, users become more confident, resistant to decrease, and system adoption improve. To conclude, MIS development is essential in today's digital era, but it comes with many human, organizational, and environmental challenges. So the journal by Alan Wembley and his colleagues provide an in-depth understanding of these challenges and offers practical solutions. With proper planning, training, user involvement, and strong governance, organization can overcome these challenges and fully benefit from an effective MIS. I think that's all from me.